What if I told you there's a horse race where tradition meets high fashion and thunderous hooves echo across rolling English hills? Welcome to Goodwood, one of the most iconic and picturesque racecourses in the world. Today's race day at Goodwood is more than just betting on horses, it's a full experience. It's where the countryside meets royalty, horsepower meets hats, and speed meets spectacle. Whether you're a seasoned punter or just love the vibe, Goodwood offers something for everyone. From the thrill of the final stretch to the buzz of the paddock, it's a place where every second counts. And don't worry if you've never been. Today we'll walk you through everything you need to know. We'll talk about the races, the atmosphere, the fashion, and even a few fun facts you probably didn't know. You'll also get tips on how to watch, what to expect, and how to enjoy the action like a pro. So if you're curious about why this race course draws global attention every year, stick around, because this is your inside guide to Goodwood horse racing today. So what exactly is Goodwood horse racing all about? Goodwood Racecourse is located in West Sussex, England, and is famous for its dramatic views and top-class races. It's home to the glorious Goodwood Festival, a major highlight in the British flat racing calendar. But even outside of that, regular race days at Goodwood carry a special charm. Flat racing here means no jumps, just pure speed and strategic jockeying over varying distances. Today's races are part of a seasonal calendar that spans from spring through summer. It attracts top trainers, champion jockeys, and elite racehorses from all over the UK and Europe. People love it not just for the sport, but also for the setting, overlooking the South Downs. You've got open lawns, champagne, tents, and a very stylish crowd. In short, it's horse racing with a touch of elegance and a lot of excitement. And today's races are shaping up to be thrilling. Let's break down what's happening at Goodwood today. Depending on the schedule, there are usually around 6 to 8 races on a given race day. Each race has its own length, conditions, prize purse, and set of contenders. You might see everything from maiden races, where young horses compete, to high-stakes handicaps. Today's featured race is likely the highlight, drawing the biggest crowd and attention. Before each race, you can watch the horses in the parade ring, which helps bettors and fans assess form. Jockeys often give signals, and commentators provide insights on who to watch. Whether you're placing bets or just watching, it's exciting to follow each race from the gate to the finish line. And with rolling hills in the background, it's like racing in a postcard. The energy rises with every starter bell, and nothing beats that final sprint to the line. So, who's your pick to win today? What makes Goodwood different from other race courses? First off, the setting is stunning. It's nestled on the top of the Sussex Downs. You get panoramic views, sea breezes, and open skies unlike any other venue. The course itself is also tricky. It's right-handed, undulating, and demands skill from both horse and jockey. This makes Goodwood races unpredictable and often full of surprise results. There's also a sense of heritage here. The Duke of Richmond's estate hosts the racecourse. Everything from the grandstand to the gardens feels both historic and classy. And you don't need a top hat to enjoy it, though you'll see plenty of people dressed to impress. You can sit on the lawns with a picnic or sip champagne near the winning post. It's relaxed yet refined, stylish but still focused on the racing. That balance is what keeps people coming back. Like any sport, horse racing comes with its highs and lows, and Goodwood has had plenty of both. There have been legendary wins and heartbreaking losses, often in the same afternoon. One year, a 101 outsider shocked everyone with a surprise victory. Moments like that live forever. On the other hand, weather can turn quickly here, affecting both the ground and the race strategy. Some horses love soft turf, others hate it, so rain can flip predictions upside down. Jockey errors, poor starts, or just bad luck can turn favorites into losers in seconds. That unpredictability is part of the thrill. It keeps fans on the edge of their seats. And it's not always about money. Sometimes people cheer just because they love the horse's name. A good race doesn't always mean a big win. It means big emotion. At Goodwood, the passion from the crowd can be felt in every cheer and groan. It's a roller coaster of speed, skill, and suspense. Curious about betting at Goodwood? Here's a simple breakdown. There are 2 main ways to bet, with on-course bookmakers or through apps. Most people start with a win bet, picking the horse they think will come first. There's also each way, which gives you a return if your horse finishes in the top 3. Odds change based on how much money is being bet on each horse. The lower the odds, the more people are backing that horse. Don't know where to start? Look at the race card. It gives you horse stats, form, and jockey details. It's also fun to just follow your instinct. Some of the biggest wins come from gut choices. Set a limit, treat it as entertainment, and enjoy the ride. Even a small bet can make a race more exciting. And remember, it's not always about winning. It's about the thrill of the chase. Part of what makes Goodwood magical is the people who come here. You'll see everyone from first-timers to hardcore racing, fans dressed in everything from suits to sundresses. There's laughter, conversation, and the buzz of anticipation between races. Some people are there to bet, some to socialize, and others just to soak in the scene. It's an event where tradition and modern fun meet effortlessly. Food trucks, champagne bars, and local vendors keep the mood festive. You might overhear tips from someone who's been betting for decades, or spot a celebrity guest. Children are welcome too. There's often entertainment or activities for families. It feels like a giant countryside party with horsepower at its heart, and that shared excitement when the gates open. That's the real connection. It's a celebration, a competition, and a cultural experience all rolled into one. Did you know Goodwood has been hosting horse races since 1802? It started as a private event for officers and quickly grew into one of Britain's top courses. The glorious Goodwood Festival is so iconic it's known simply as glorious. King Edward VII famously called it a garden party with racing tacked on. There's even a race named the Lennox Stakes, named after the local noble family. And Goodwood doesn't just host horse races, it's also famous for motorsports with the Goodwood Festival of Speed. You could literally watch horses gallop one week and supercars roar the next. Some horses that won at Goodwood went on to become legends at Royal Ascot. It's also one of the few courses that lets spectators get so close to the action. From its unique course shape to its elite guest list, Goodwood is full of quirky charm. It's history and horsepower in one beautiful package. Imagine this. You arrive early, grab a coffee, and head toward the paddock. The horses are parading, glistening in the sun, calm but powerful. You place a small bet on a gray filly you like the look of, just for fun. The first race begins, and the thunder of hooves fills the air. Your horse leads for most of the way, but then gets overtaken at the last second. You don't win, but your heart is racing like you did. You laugh, grab some food, and enjoy the moment with the crowd. As the day goes on, you start to feel part of something bigger. It's not just about the horses, it's about being there, living it. The final race comes and you cheer with the entire crowd as a neck-and-neck battle unfolds. That's the magic of a day at Goodwood. So whether you're a racing fan or a first-time visitor, Goodwood delivers an unforgettable experience. It's about more than just winners and losers. It's about beauty, speed, tradition, and joy. From today's lineup to its historic roots, this racecourse is pure class. Now that you know what to expect, are you ready to check it out for yourself? Let us know your favorite horse or Goodwood memory in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the journey around the course with us. And don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes racing stories and event guides. Want to know how to pick a winning horse? We've got that coming up next. Until then, may your bets be lucky and your view be from the finish line. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's no race day quite like Goodwood. See you at the track.